ஓம் கம் கணபதியே நமக. ஓம் சக்தி. ஸ்ரீ லலிதா சகஸ்ரநாமாவளி. Om Shri Matre Namaha. Salutations to the Divine Mother, who is the mother of all. Om Shri Maharajnyai Namaha. Salutations to the great Empress of the whole universe. Om Shrimat Simhasaneshwariyai Namaha. Salutations to the great sovereign enthroned on the lion's back. Om Chitakni Kunda Sambodayai Namaha. Salutations to her who came out of the fire of pure consciousness. Om Deva Karya Samudyatayai Namaha. Salutations to her who ever promotes the cause of divine forces. Om Udyat Banu Sahasra Bayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is radiant as 1,000 suns rising together. Om Chatur Bahu Samanvitayai Namaha. Salutations to the four-armed divinity. Om Raga Swarupa Pashadyai Namaha. Salutations to her who holds in her lower left hand a noose representing the power of love. Om Krodha Karan Kusojvalayai Namaha. Salutations to her holding the flashing Ankusha of anger in her lower right hand for restraining the forces of evil. Om Mano Rupekshu Kodandayai Namaha. Salutations to her who wields in her upper left hand a sugarcane bow that stands for mind. Om Pancha Tanmatra Sayakayai Namaha. Salutations to her who holds 5 arrows representing the 5 Tanmatras, subtle elements. Om Nijaruna Prabhapura Majjat Brahmanda Mandalayai Namaha. Salutations to her in the rosy splendor of whose form the whole universe is bathed. Om Champaka Shoka Punnaga Saukandika Lasat Kachayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose shining locks of hair imparts their fragrance to flowers like Champaka, Ashoka and Punnaga adorning them. Om Kuruvinda Manishreni Kanat Kotira Manditayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose crown is shining with rows of Kuruvinda gems. Om Ashtami Chandra Vibraja Dalikashtala Shobitayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose forehead shines arching like the crescent moon of the 8th lunar digit. Om Mukhachandra Kalankaba Mriganabhi Viseshakayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose moon-like face is distinguished by the Kasturi Tilaka like the spot in the moon. Om Vadana Smara Mangalya Griha Torana Chillikayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose face, the auspicious home of Kama, has eyebrows that resemble archways leading to the abode of beauty. Om Vaktra Lakshmi Parivaha Chalan Meenaba Lochanayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose eyes move like fish in the streams of beauty flowing from her face. Om Nava Champaka Pushpaba Nasa Danda Vira Jitayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose shapely nose is like a fresh blown champaka bud. Om Tara Kanti Tiraskari Nasha Barana Bashurayai Namaha. Salutations to her with the nasal ornament set with a jewel that excels the brilliance of the planet Venus. Om Kadamba Manjari Klipta Karnapura Manoharayai Namaha. Salutations to her who is radiant and charming with a bunch of Kadamba flowers over her ears. Om Tatanka Yugali Puta Tapano Tupamandalayai Namaha. Salutations to her who has the orbs of the sun and the moon as her pair of ear pendants. Om Padmaraga Siladarsha Paribhavi Kapola Bhuve Namaha. Salutations to her whose cheeks are far fairer than mirrors of ruby, Padmaraga. Om Navavidruma Bimbashri Nyakkari Radana Chadayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose lips outshine the redness of fresh coral and bimba fruit. Om Suddha Vidyang Kurakara Vijapanktid Vayojvalayai Namaha. Salutations to her whose beauty is enhanced by her rows of teeth that resemble the sprouting of pure knowledge, Suddha Vidya or Shri Vidya. ஓம் சக்தி.